All right, mates, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. This morning, we are going to talk about some Bitcoin Cash right now. Check this out. I got the screen up. You don't have to see my ugly mug. Hope everybody's doing well this morning. I've been talking about this now, and I know some people have taken advantage of it, and it's important to understand when you're looking here at this chart. This is the Bitcoin Cash chart. It's trading at 145, okay? Remember our correlated method we talk about. That suddenly now a lot of people are like, trying to discern this brand new, and we've been doing it for over a year and a half. It's kind of funny. It's kind of interesting to see what happens with social media, how people adopt things. But keep in mind, Bitcoin has been up 24% in the last 30 days, and Bitcoin Cash is up 46%. Think about that. Now, Ethereum is up 75%, okay? So everyone's talking about Ethereum, okay? But Ethereum also is $1,800 a token. Bitcoin is now almost $25,000 a token. Bitcoin Cash was 131, and then right on that, and then it went to 133 on that first green candle. So we've gone from 133 to 145, as high as 146.68 in this last stick. Okay, so it's up 70. This is a 75% trade at 133, just at 10x, mates. Okay. Now, this is easily replicated in Litecoin, in Bitcoin Silver, in everything correlated to Bitcoin without ever having to trade a single token or entry in Bitcoin, okay? And this is critical math. Like when people talk about, trading Bitcoin. When you trade Bitcoin, if you're only trading one token, that one token is costing you, in essence, $24,800 at the present time. Versus taking that money and trading Bitcoin Cash or Litecoin when the returns are actually greater than in Bitcoin. And that's what people, I think, are finally starting to understand in the mainstream social TikTok, YouTube community. Is it's easy to talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum because they're the catch-all, beat-all of grab everything in media these days. For clickbait and for everything, because people know what Bitcoin is and people know now what Ethereum is, but they don't really know the forks of those. They don't really know any of that stuff. And those are the ones that are less volatile. Now, Bitcoin Cash, when are we going to exit this? Okay. We're still green here. We've got a local top here at 145 that we want to take out. And then we're on to 155. But we're going to watch this space right here. If Bitcoin Cash fills this space here above 70 at that RSI meter on the 4 hour, we are on the 4 hour, okay? That's when we're going to enter in a sell down hedge entry. That does not mean we're going to exit this trade. It just means that we're going to protect this trade by buying a sell down hedge, either at the same leverage, or you could even go lower leverage to actually lower your liquidation number. In terms of liquidation rates, it would raise it up so much than twice than what 10x would be. So that's an easy defensive mechanism. I teach that in the leverage course. It's very easy to apply. It's very safe and conservative to protect the gains that you have currently in. But that's where we're at. Remember, on July 29th, it was 155. This pattern I'm going to show in the next video is identical to Bitcoin. So trade Bitcoin Cash when you want to trade Bitcoin is really what you want to do. Okay, we are here on the 5-bit, okay, and you can kind of take a look at the charting here too. 145, 53 Cardano, 1900 now on Ethereum, 2460. So we've come down 200 points already in Bitcoin. Eventually, these two right here, we're going to flip to reversing to sell downs. Okay, obviously we are buy ups this morning, continuing to play with these folks that are over accumulating at these levels right now. They're participating in that FOMO rally post CPI, which is fine. Take the gains. But then immediately remember when that candle comes, and you'll see it, when that red candle comes for Bitcoin on the 4 hour or the 2 hour, 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, you can look at those time frames. That's when you're going to look here. Okay? Because when Bitcoin turns, Ethereum's going to turn. Okay? Our Bitcoin Cash is going to turn. Okay? And so that's when you want to look for the exit or look for that sell down hedge. All right, mates.